In today's video, I'm walking you through my favorite way to fussy cut. Simple, beginner-friendly, and relaxing. I'll also be doing a flip-through of our new Besties Fussy Cut collection. Decorate your life. Ever since Spring Cottage Blooms came out, a lot of you have been asking for fussy cut elements to use in your projects, so I wanted to create something that would work right alongside that collection. These are our Besties, a fussy cut companion pack designed to give you those extra little details to build your scenes and add more charm to your crafts. If you struggle with fussy cutting or just want an easier way to do it, these tips might really help. I've developed a simple, beginner-friendly method that works for me, and I'm hoping it works for you too. I want you to pay close attention to how I'm holding my scissors and how I approach the cut. I used to approach the cut like any other regular piece of paper I would be cutting, but that never brought the results I wanted. In a smaller distance, or when I approach a detail, I approach the cut with the tip of my scissors. This gives me more control of the details in the image. To trim off thinner details, I decided to do what others tell you not to do. I move my scissors. You will see exactly what I'm talking about once we begin trimming off the spaces between the girl's hair. I also found that by cutting angles while moving my scissors, the results are much cleaner as if it was done by an electronic cutting machine. And with cleaner results, your fussy cutting won't require inking around the edges to hide your mistakes. Do you see here how cutting angles little by little is giving me the desired results? Another trick that I learned was not to fuss over the small stuff. For example, the girl's hairstyle sprays over to the point that there's a singular strand that sticks out. I don't sweat over it, I just cut it off. And between you and me, I got this idea of angle cutting by watching my cameo producing a die cut. I paid close attention on the movements the machine made on the mat, and I thought to myself, perhaps this is something that I could do in order to get better results when fussy cutting with scissors. Decorate your life. Before I forget, if you like the suggestions that I've made, subscribe to my channel and leave me a like. Also, make sure to leave me a comment and let me know if you would like to see more craft tip videos like this one. And of course, you're always welcome to add my videos to your playlists for future reference. And don't forget to visit and subscribe to our amazing Decorate Your Life design team for more paper crafting project ideas and tutorials. Their links are in the description area below. And as promised, here's the flip through of our new Besties add-ons by Decorate Your Life. Thank you so very much for watching. I'll see you again real soon.